If you are a Linux enthusiast, you probably love trying out different distributions. While Debian, Arch and Ubuntu based distros are great, sometimes you want something truly unique, something that stands out in the Linux ecosystem. So in this video, we'll explore 5 of the most unique Linux distributions that you absolutely need to try out. Number 5. Tiny Core Linux. First up, we have Tiny Core Linux, a distro that takes minimalism to an extreme level. If you thought lightweight distros like Puppy Linux or DietPi were small, think again. Tiny Core Linux has an ISO size of just 17 MB, and even the full GUI version takes up to only 23 MB. That's smaller than some high-resolution images. This makes it perfect for reviving old PCs and running on low-spec hardware. But be warned, Tiny Core Linux isn't the most intuitive OS out there. It's designed for advanced users who don't mind getting their hands dirty with configuration. Still, if you love tinkering with ultra-lightweight Linux systems, Tiny Core is a must-try. Number 4. NixOS. Next, we have NixOS, a truly unique distribution designed for developers and system administrators. Unlike traditional Linux distros, NixOS uses a declarative configuration model. This means you can define your entire system setup in a configuration file and reproduce the exact same environment on multiple machines with just a simple command. One of the biggest advantages of NixOS is its approach to package management. Since each package is installed in isolation, you never have to worry about dependencies conflicts. Plus, if something goes wrong, you can roll back to a previous system state effortlessly. However, using NixOS requires learning the Nix scripting language, which has a steep learning curve. But if you are a developer looking for a rock-solid, reproducible system, NixOS is worth checking out. Number 4. Tails OS. Coming in at number 3 is Tails OS, the ultimate choice for privacy-conscious users. In an era where online tracking and data collection are more invasive than ever, Tails offers a way to browse and work in complete anonymity. Tails is a live operating system that runs entirely from a USB drive, leaving no trace on your computer once you shut it down. It's deeply integrated with the Tor network, automatically routing your internet traffic through multiple relays to anonymize your connection. You also get built-in encryption tools to protect your files and communications. If privacy is your top priority, whether for journalism, activism, or personal security, Tails OS is the best Linux distro to ensure your digital footprints remains invisible. Number 2. BlendOS. At number 2 we have BlendOS, a game changer for Linux users who frequently switch between different distributions. Distro hopping can be fun, but it often comes with compatibility headaches. BlendOS solves this by allowing you to run multiple distributions inside isolated containers, so you don't have to worry about package conflicts. BlendOS is also immutable, meaning the core system files are read-only, preventing accidental system breakage. And while it shares some similarities with NixOS in terms of declarative configuration, BlendOS uses simple YAML syntax, making it much easier to set up. If you ever struggled with package incompatibilities across different distros, BlendOS might just be the perfect solution. Number 1. Qubes OS. And finally, at number 1, we have Qubes OS, a security-focused Linux distribution that takes virtualization to the next level. Unlike traditional operating systems, Qubes OS runs different applications in isolated virtual environments called cubes. This ensures that even if one cube gets compromised by malware, the rest of your system remains safe. Qubes OS uses the Zen hypervisor to sandbox different parts of your operating system. You can even create separate cubes for different activities like work, personal browsing, and financial transactions, keeping each environment completely isolated. For users who prioritizes security above all else, whether you are an ethical hacker, journalist, or a privacy advocate, Qubes OS is one of the most secure Linux distributions available. Now finally, the conclusion. And there you have it. 5 of the most unique Linux distributions that offer something truly different from the usual Ubuntu and Arch-based options. Whether you are looking for a lightweight OS like TinyCore, or highly customizable systems like NixOS, or the ultimate security with the Qubes OS, there is something for everyone. Which of these distros have you tried? And do you have a favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Linux content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.